Hello student, welcome back. You are learning about the chapter halogen derivatives and today's topic is methods of preparation of alkyl halides or aryl halides. And in all, this is the flow sheet for the preparation of alkyl halides. You know very well, alkyl halides means RX. In the previous video, we discussed about the classification of halogen derivative, and under that classification, one of the compound is RX. R means alkyl group, X means halide group. Halide radical, it may be chloride, bromide, fluoride, iodide. But many times chloride and bromide reactions we are discussed. Fluorine is highly reactive, and in iodide some different reactions are formed. So here we are discussing only the preparation of alkyl halide. What is alkyl halide? Alkyl halide is RX formula and it is monohalogen derivative of alkene. यानी उसमें सिर्फ एक ही हैलोजन का एटम रहता है. तो these are the four different methods of preparation. Number one, from alcohol, यानी alcohol से. Second, from hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon means it may be alkane, alkene, etc. Last year halogenation was discussed and it is not suitable method. So from hydrocarbon, only addition of HX to alkene we are going to discuss. Halogen exchange, here exchange of halogen takes place and there are two reactions, Finkelstein reaction and Schwarz reaction. And electrophilic substitution reaction, under this aryl chloride or bromides are prepared. Aryl means having the benzene ring. All other are aliphatic. Method of preparation for alkyl halide which are aliphatic, and this is the aryl chloride and bromide. For iodo product, here the nitric acid or HiO4 is used because here Hi is formed, which is removed by using this. And F2 is highly reactive. Therefore, these two reactions we are not going to discuss. Only aryl chloride and bromide we are going to discuss. So, this is the flow chart. You have to remember this. So you will not get confused. In order to avoid confusion, these flow charts are very important. Now one by one we are discussing about the different methods. First, from alcohols, which having three different methods by using HX, by using PCl3, PCl5, using thionyl chloride. और every time यहाँ पे क्या होने वाला है, अल्कोहल के साथ ये जो रिएजेंट के नाम हमने लिखे हैं वो रिएक्ट होंगे और एरो के उस साइड राइट हैंड साइड में क्या तैयार होगा, alkyl halide. That is the product alkyl halide. Okay, means all these reactions are resulting in the formation of alkyl halide. And एरो के पहले क्या रहेगा, different chemicals से हम alkyl halide का preparation करेंगे. और ये जो different chemicals यूज कर रहे हैं, under this heading we are going to discuss. Now different methods of preparation of alkyl halides we are discussing one by one. The first method is from alcohol. अब इस मेथड में क्या होगा, जो डिफरेंट मेथड से यहाँ पे दिए हुए हैं, A है, B है, उसके बाद C थायोनिल क्लोराइड आएगा. तो ये सब मेथड में कॉमन फैक्टर क्या है, फ्रॉम अल्कोहल. यानी रिएक्टेंट में क्या रहेगा, अल्कोहल, और अल्कोहल का फंक्शनल ग्रुप क्या है, OH. तो इसमें मैकेनिज्म क्या है, हाइड्रोक्सिल ग्रुप रिप्लेस्ड बाय हैलोजन एटम. ये इंपॉर्टेंट है. अगर आप ये ध्यान में रखेंगे तो सब रिएक्शन में वन एंड द सेम थिंग इज हैपनिंग. और वो कौन सी चीज है, ये जो ROH है यानी अल्कोहल, उससे क्या तैयार हो रहा है, RX. और रिप्लेसमेंट किसका किस जगह हो रहा है, हाइड्रोक्सिल ग्रुप रिप्लेस्ड बाय हैलोजन एटम. यानी यहाँ पे जो OH दिख रहा है वो OH की जगह क्या आएगा, X. और ये X क्या है, CnBr. F को हम कंसीडर नहीं करते क्योंकि वो हाईली रिएक्टिव होता है. तो ये अगर आपको ध्यान में रहेगा तो ये तीनों जो रिएक्शन है, सब रिएक्शन में सेम मैकेनिज्म होने वाला है. जहां पे OH है वहां पे क्या आएगा, X आएगा. सो फर्स्ट मेथड बाय यूजिंग हैलोजन एसिड. और लास्ट ईयर हमने सीखा था HX हैलोजन एसिड क्या होता है. HX मीन्स HCl, HBr, HI. इसमें से किसी चीज की रिएक्शन होगी. मैकेनिज्म अगेन सेम, ROH प्लस HX. ये जो OH है ये OH निकल जाएगा और उसकी जगह कौन लेगा, ये X इस जगह आएगा। OH निकल गया और X उसकी जगह आ गया, तो क्या हो गया, RX मींस अल्किल हैलाइड। एंड साइड प्रोडक्ट निकला हुआ OH और H मिलके क्या हो रहा है, H2O यहाँ पे तैयार हो रहा है। दिस इज H2O मींस HOH। In this manner, all reactions are happening. Now, this is the general reaction, but HX are different. HCl, HBr, HI, etc. are there. So their reactions are different. Here, the ROH plus HCl, here ROH plus HBr, and ROH plus HI. Means three different halo acids are reacting, and their reagents, the conditions are different. Here in C2, the reactants are produced, means at the time of the reaction these two conditions generate the HBr and HI. So only condition is different, but starting material remains same. HX means the starting material, alcohol is the starting material. So here we are writing the example ROH plus HCl. Now three reactions are there. HX means HCl, then HBr, then HI, and fluorine is highly reactive, therefore we are not considering fluorine, means HF here. Now ROH plus HCl, anhydrous ZnCl2. Anhydrous means free of water, dry. ZnCl2 is using, and this HCl and this anhydrous ZnCl2, they commonly called Lucas reagent. In examination, if the question is asked by this word Lucas reagent, means you are writing anhydrous ZnCl2 and HCl, and the alcohol with HCl reacts with the anhydrous ZnCl2, means Lucas reagent is necessary. Here primary and secondary alcohol react with this HCl, producing alkyl halide RCl. Here instead of OH, here Cl is coming, and side product water is formed. The tertiary alcohol reacts with only concentrated HCl. No ZnCl2 is required here, and tertiary alkyl halides are obtained, means chloride. Here halide means chloride are obtained. So the reactions you can write in examination. Any example can be asked. In nomenclature, the different formulae were given, and their name you know very well. Remember that table. That table is very important. Here we are writing the general reaction, and one or two examples extra we are writing. But in examination, different examples can be asked, and you have to remember only the mechanism. If you know the mechanism, what is the mechanism? Mechanism is instead of OH you are writing X. Means if here tertiary butyl alcohol is used, what is the product? Tertiary butyl chloride. Means instead of OH, Cl is coming. Okay, in this manner you have to remember, so you know the formula. Therefore nomenclature formula table is very important. Here the tertiary alcohol react with HCl, giving tertiary alkyl halide in presence of this Lucas reagent. Here one example is written, ethanol means C2H5OH plus HCl in presence of anhydrous ZnCl2, because this is primary alcohol. Here mentioned the primary and secondary alcohol requires Lucas reagent, only primary secondary, and tertiary alcohol directly react with the concentrated HCl. So tertiary alkyl halide is obtained, where chloride, tertiary alkyl chloride, instead of halide you can write chloride. So here Cl is there. Ethanol, HCl, anhydrous ZnCl2 gives ethyl chloride. Then second example, hydrogen halide. Second example is HBr. How HBr is produced? From sodium Br and concentrated H2SO4, and heating is necessary. Means when this alcohol reacts with HBr, this HBr produced by these two chemicals, sodium bromide and concentrated H2SO4, and on heating the reaction takes place. Again mechanism remains same. Instead of OH, Br is coming here, and this OH react with H, forming the H2O. So here alkyl bromides are formed. Okay. In this manner, any general reaction you can write. If in examination the reaction is asked for the isopropyl alcohol, means CH3, CH, CH3 and OH. This is the isopropyl alcohol or propane to all. Okay, this is isopropyl group and OH attached here. And when it reacts with sodium, in examination the question can ask what is the action of sodium bromide and concentrated H2SO4 on isopropyl alcohol. So what is the action? The action is like this, HBr. Again same condition, heating is there and same reaction. Instead of this OH, the Br is coming. This OH react with H and Br comes here. So CH3, CH, CH3 and here instead of OH, Br plus side product water, H2O. What is the name of this compound? This is isopropyl alcohol. This is isopropyl bromide. Okay. This is you know both the name, isopropyl alcohol and isopropyl bromide. In this manner you can write the reaction. Now only one example I explained here, but in examination any example can be asked with this table. The formula table you know very well, and IUPAC name is given and common names are also given. So isopropyl alcohol, tertiary butyl alcohol or 2-methyl propane to all, likewise questions can be asked with this name. Now third example, alcohol with HI. HI is also producing C2 from this condition. This is the phosphoric acid and sodium iodide or potassium iodide can be used, and 95% H3PO4 means phosphoric acid can be used. Same reaction, alkyl iodide are formed. You can write example by using this at home, and the same mechanism is there. Instead of Br, I is coming here and condition is different. Okay, this is the simple mechanism. Instead of OH, you are writing the ClBrI, and conditions are different. Using phosphorus halide means reaction of alcohol with PX3 means PCl3 and PCl5, or phosphorus halide means PX3. Here particularly PCl3, PCl5 we are considering. The again mechanism is same. Instead of OH, what is coming? X is coming. So alkyl halide is formed, and here the side product H3PO3 is formed. Here example is taken C2H5OH plus PCl3. Here C2H5Cl H3PO3. All the times the side product is H3PO3, that is phosphoric acid. And here when Pi3 is react, here red phosphorus and I2 or Br2 is taken. Pi3 or PBr3. For PCl3 no reagent is required. And so this C2H5OH plus PCl5 gives C2H5Cl means ethyl chloride. In this case also you have to remember only the mechanism. What is the mechanism? Instead of OH, X means halide is coming. It may be Cl, Br or I, and the conditions are different. In examination any example can be asked. Here only one example is written, ethyl alcohol, but in examination different alcohols can be asked for this reaction, or the name of this compound is given and you have to write the starting material. Particularly in entrance examination such questions are asked and you have to remember only mechanism. Instead of X you are using the compound having OH, means the name of compound you can identify. This is the second method. Now third C is by using the thionyl chloride.